Hello, kindred souls. Sarah here from the Connecticut Cocoon and the co-creator of Hello from the Cocoon with my dear friend Lori. And today I am bringing you a vocal play activity for what does restructuring sound like. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, basically I just come on here and we explore our voice together with a nature theme that might be coming in, or just coming up with a sound for a life theme. So vocal play is just creating a unique sound that is your own. It can be anything from a tune to a hum to an old song that's reminding you of something. Really, anything goes. Keep it light, keep it playful. And vocal play helps us laugh and smile, which releases endorphins and makes us feel good and moves energy forward. So I invite you to do that today. You can vocal play along with me by copying my vocal play. You can simply sit back and receive it, or what I want you to do is to create your own vocal play for what does restructuring sound like for you. So I do have some restructuring coming into my life, and Dogwood has been the gift to send me this message. There is a lot going on. I don't know about you, but a lot of shifting, a lot of things colliding. And we have this beautiful, or I should say had, this beautiful dogwood tree in our backyard. And I don't think it was planted. It seems like it was original to the backyard woods. It's a wild one, and it is a tall one. So way taller than our house. So not the ones that you typically see that people plant in their yard. And it's just represented so much for our family. It's the center point, focal point of our backyard. We wrapped lights around it to celebrate my wedding to my husband, and the lights did this weird thing when we turned them on. The way we had wrapped them, it spelled our last name, so that was very interesting. And my daughters love playing around the dogwood tree and collecting the little flowers that look like butterflies. So unfortunately, this past year, the dogwood tree unexpectedly died. And very emotional, very difficult, and we weren't 100% sure. We tried to save it, all our efforts, but basically a storm took it out the rest of the way and had it fall on our big rock that we have in our backyard. So I wanted to do something with the dogwood. So when we did finally take it down, there was, it was basically hollow. The trunk was hollow. So it was gone. And I am now using the trunk as a planter for some Gerber daisies and some sedum and some of our tulips. So that's already a nice way to include all the energy of dogwood into something else. And that was kind of my inspiration. I wanted to do something with the big limbs. So restructuring of taking something that we loved, letting it go, using it for something else. And so I took the big limbs that were cut down and I re-stabilized my daughter's fort in the backyard. So we have these huge dogwood pillars basically creating this big triangular-like fort in the backyard for my little ones to read or plant their own little gardens next to, or just have some quiet time in their own kitty cocoon. And I know that dogwood has now, served its purpose in creating this new structure. And I had to take the whole fort down and recreate it with the big dogwood limbs. So just that whole process to me felt very powerful, while in my life things are rearranging and restructuring. So that's just my little story time of why we're going to vocal play restructuring today. So here we go. I'm just going to create it and we'll see what happens. I also use body movements, and that helps things flow. And you can sometimes receive messages afterwards from your vocal play and your body movements. So feel into your body, feel into your intuition, and see what comes. Here we go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm gonna do it one more time because it's super fun. I feel like I'm swimming. Whoa, 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 And you know you have landed your vocal play when you get some kind of body sensation brewing. It can be chills, it can be a yawn, it can be tingling in your eyes, getting teary-eyed, a big smile on your face. So I just feel lighter, and yeah, that felt really good. So I invite you all to try this vocal play out and comment below of how it went, any self-discoveries, any insights you had, and if you want to check out other vocal play activities or expressive art activities, Lori has one for self-reflection. You can check that out in our channel. With care and connection and restructuring, from my cocoon to yours. Bye!